We start with the case study in purification of water. The purification of water can be done in several methods by using adsorbents or some other different materials. Here we are discussing about the purification by using nanofiber membrane of the polymers. These polymers can be made by a method of electrospinning. So we get a very nano fibers. Based on this filtering and absorbing capacity, we are going to purify the water. So there are a lot of things available in this. This case study will throw some lights on the purification methods, the new methods that can be adapted. So the purification methods in our day-to-day life is very important, because in all the areas the water gets polluted. It contains microbial things, some heavy metals, organic chemicals. So this can be done with a simple membrane. So a polymer membrane can be used in this water purification research. This membrane can be prepared in several ways. We can prepare a thin film membrane, or we can prepare this membrane with small nanofibers. These nanofibers can be used with the electrospinning. So with the electrospin, we create some nanofibers with the membrane. This membrane has multiple features, like that they have a high surface area. So more surface area, more observing filtering capacity, high porosity, excellent functioning ability, good mechanical behavior that can be easily washed or reused, etc. So there are a lot of things available. In this case, we are going to organize these different membranes and different properties together. So these are nanofibers. These nanofibers can be prepared by using electron spinning method. So we can fabricate the nanofibers. It may be a hydrophobic or hydrophilic. It is categorized, it is explained in different ways. What are its properties and how it is used depending upon the size, what is the filtration capacity, etc. So the method of preparing the nanofibers has been shown in this diagram. So these are some nanofibers. After that, it can be developed into a membrane, like a cloth sheet. So this membrane is used to filter the water, and it is used to kill. Even these membranes have capacity to kill the bacteria. Of course, in this membrane we can incorporate some nanomaterials like titanium oxide, like zinc oxide, so that the antimicrobial property can be improved. So here in this case study, the different size membranes have been shown here. So these membranes can be used for filtering capacity depending upon the size and the pore size between the membranes. So the C, the picture which is present in C, the pore size is very less. It provides a very good filtering capacity. So here, preparing this, we can use high density polymers, polyvinylidene chloride, even polyethylene can be used. This has been incorporated with some graphines, titanium oxide. So these nanomaterials has been incorporated or blended with this, prepared a several coating of material, so that we can improve the water capacity, water filtration capacity, and quality of water is better when compared with the other materials. So we have to take we like to take this case study. So the case study blends two important topics. One is polymer, another one is the water filtering methods. So in this case study, we are going to discuss, we are going to analyze, and we are going to gather much more information regarding these different types of membranes, their properties, and how they are being used in water purification technologies. So we can enhance the property of this material. inorganic nanofillers blended with the polymers. Surface modification can be done depending upon the things which we are using, type of water we are using. A thin film nanocomposite membrane also been discussed here. So thank you. We'll proceed this case study further.